How real does AI feel in your daily use of SYSPRO? We're talking about direct interaction with SYSPRO ERP systems. Not just a side chat with ChatGPT, but real hands-on engagement with your SYSPRO server itself. Does AI practically contribute to your daily management of inventory, planning of production, or in-the-moment queries you may have? With AGX, a MCP server developed by Lancea Consult, you are now able to, with natural language, speak to your SYSPRO server. Whether you're asking for information or analysis of your ERP data, or even performing actions like approving requisitions or creating purchase orders, this can all be done very differently to what you've done before. Just speak the words and see AI taking the action within your SYSPRO ERP. It feels so natural, yet it's like magic. Okay, let's see how AGX can assist you practically. AGX links to the SYSPRO database using the SYSPRO Business Objects API layer. It's like having an intelligent SYSPRO consultant at your beck and call, ready to provide insights and take actions whenever you need it. And you can talk to it in your own language. Here you can see how AGX interrogates the available APIs in SYSPRO while evaluating outputs from these to craft a series of concurrent SQL queries and business object calls to best respond to your request. See how AGX can visually present me with the data based on my request. All I do is ask, no need to navigate through menus or reports. AGX interprets what I need instantly. As you can see, the AGX has now prepared a visual summary of the cost overruns analysis, and then breaks that down into overruns by job, expected versus actual cost, and detailed job analysis. Now you have a snapshot that is in real time. This is both powerful and efficient. Let us try another example within our sales and stock availability domain. Notice, I haven't changed modules or run custom reports. I'm still just chatting directly with the SYSPRO server, still using my voice and text. See how the AGX is putting together the SQL query to relate data in order to present me with data that I need to analyze my sales. Nice. Now that I can see my main seller, I can now go further and ask about risks and stockouts and what actions would be suggested. It is now analyzing my stock levels to predict risks and will suggest action for me. Look at how AGX is prompting me to take immediate action for an emergency order on an A100 mountain bike for boys. And even better than that, I can now ask it to go ahead and place this purchase order. And SYSPRO proceeds to place this order just as I requested via the SYSPRO API. Now let's ask it to update this order with 20 units. Nice. Here we have a quick demo of some of the actions that AGX can perform. To be honest, any action or query that you grant permission to the AGX, it will most likely and most probably be able to perform. It's like having a 24/7 dedicated SYSPRO assistant at your beck and call.